bridge up here. You guys have seen this probably a billion times, I'm sure. But it's pretty. And really the whole stretch, the last 5-7 miles after 7 Mile Bridge to here, it's just probably one of the most beautiful spots in the world. Try to get it moving. It's windy today. Water stirred up a little greenish. Not very clear, but still pretty from my polarized glass view. But GoPro 10's an amazing camera. I think it overheats pretty easy, but it doesn't zoom. So I gotta find something that zooms. Nice little cut. You have to cut. Funny thing is, from like Cudjoe, especially the marina, you got to cut through all these little back. Oops, sorry. Cut through all these little back hidden spots. Cruise around this little island here, which people hang out. Come through way over here. Cut through back on here. You kind of have to be. Look at all the fish down there. You can't see them. Darn it. Zip over here. I got. And this is all shallows over here. We're in Sugarloaf. That's pretty shallow, but you still get nice boats, big boats. You can still get out. Takes a little bit of work. Okay, awesome spot if you know where it's at. The Keys, I'm not sure if we can tell you where things are, certain spots, legally. I think the Monroe County doesn't want too many peeps, certain areas, stuff like that. Alright, this is way less far than I thought it was. That's how I remember. That's cool. Trying to carry a big thing of chum and my 9-foot extended pole. Looks like we have some swimmers today, so that'd be cool. Everyone likes to jump off the bridge. The water's normally clear, crystal clear, and it's got like these little hot tub seats on the side. You'll see. But, oh yeah, thanks man for helping me lift my bike over the darn barriers there. Wherever you are. How's the water? Concrete. So a lot of roads down here go or were built at one time and are no longer, and now they're like blocked off, and you know, hiker trails of some sort, you know, biker trails. That was pretty darn quick. All right, man, I got you. guys been down here before?
No.
Oh. Oh, it's plenty deep. I don't know where they're jogging to. It just goes to nowhere. It goes to our old house, actually. It wraps around, boom, Upper Sugarloaf. Now we get the wet weather coming in, the wind coming in from the, you see the little blimp there? Coming in from the northeast. Cool. Take us down to the back to the truck there. And this is okay, so Atlantic, should tell you. Gulf of Mexico. Again, you see the little blimp there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. It's telling us the wind's coming this way from the northeast, which for boaters or weather is very nice to know. All these clouds here will miss us. These clouds here will get us. That is a rain cloud. That might sprinkle on us for a second, but
Yep. Keep it. It's the final countdown. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Pat. Come on, Pat. There he is. Oh, it's salt water. Fuck. Oh, that feels good. What's up?
Feels so good.
Dude, it feels so fun, bro. Where's it at?
hey Amy, remember this? We were down here and we did a little picnic at sunset. Not what you do. And I had my chicken fried steak and I spilt it all, almost caught most of it, but anyways, the no-see-ums bit the heck out of us on the way back up home, getting out of here. Oh, needlefish, darn it. All right, so this time I'm cheating. I'm chumming for the first time. Let's see how it works. Should be fish here anyways. Okay, that's how you drop your GoPro. Like an idiot.